channel. It's Jazz. I'm so happy to be coming to you with a video about the plant-based hair. Someone requested this video a few weeks ago, but I had a lot of changes, a lot of updates, and so I am actually doing that video today. Okay, so yes, the plant-based hair. I have a few thoughts that I wrote down that I think would really help you all, especially because I already use some plant-based hair, and for me, I had a good experience. You know, is there room for improvement? Of course. This is kind of like a new concept for us, so yeah, so I definitely want to make this video because, you know, every season is braid season, but especially the summertime, and we have summertime coming up right around the corner. You know, we just jumped into spring, and before you know it, you're going to need a set of those good summer braids to get you through these hot months. So let's go ahead and get into it. I do want to say that this is not the plant-based hair, okay? This is some Yankee twist hair. The details for this hair will be down in the description below if you're interested in this one. But also, I have a video that I uploaded right before this one. If you want to check it out, I will link that video somewhere as well, so you can see the process, because this is a wig. And I made this wig, and I love this wig. So, yeah. I really want to share my thoughts about this plant-based hair. Plus, I have some new plant-based hair that we're going to get into, but first thoughts. Okay, so the brand of the plant-based hair that I used previously was called Nourie. Okay, and last I checked, she is sold out completely of that hair, but I made sure I did a review on Amazon because that's where I got the hair from last year. And I mean, with the stories coming out about all this hair having all these links to cancer and endocrine disruptors and all this other stuff that is not good for us, especially as women or as people who wear this hair, right, for our braids, it's important that we have good, positive, healthy options that we can go to. And so, yes, Nourie was one of them, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and share my findings for the hair, okay? So first of all, let me just go over how many packs I use. So for me, I use 2 boxes of the Nourie hair. So the Nourie hair has 2 bundles in each box, and I was a little worried, you know, because I figured maybe it's not enough hair, but it turned out to be more than enough for the large braids that I did. And I actually was able to make some nice thick braids. It was so cute. Love the hairstyle. Yeah, I don't think you would necessarily need more than 5 bundles of the Nourie hair. It may be a little heavy. The hair can be dense, but it's kind of hard to explain. Because I don't want to make it seem like it's so heavy that it's going to pull your edges out. It's not that. That all depends on how you put the hair in, okay? The braider or you putting hair on your edges in a negative way is going to cause a negative reaction, okay? So it's not the hair. It literally, that hair loss will come with application, okay? And how you apply that hair to your scalp, okay? Or to your hair. The hair was heavy in the sense that I did large braids, and larger braids is always heavy for me. If you've been on my channel at all and seen any of my videos, you know that I specialize in very small braids. So I do that because small braids tend to be lighter weight, but I did the bigger braids just because I wanted to make sure that I had enough hair, and I didn't really want to make the braids too small. It was just a trial run. I didn't keep them in long, but I could have. Let me just put this in as well. I am a part of Amazon's Vine program, so I do receive free product in exchange for reviews. Nourie hair was on there, and I got 1 box for free, and I loved it so much that I went ahead and bought another one. So it's like I didn't get that. I got 1 box for free, but I paid for my second box, okay? And no, this is not sponsored by Nourie. It's just an honest review. Was the hair easy to work with? Not initially. This hair, as I said in my reviews already in my installation video that is also linked, the hair is very, very, very tangly when you first get it. I believe they have it made like that so that the hair has texture, I guess. And the texture is beautiful. It's really pretty. And that's nice, but I think it is a bit tedious to comb through when you first get it, okay? You cannot just start separating. You have to detangle that hair. But after I detangled it and then I sectioned it off, everything went really well. The price. The price is what everybody is tripping over on my comment section. Everybody has something to say about these prices, like $40 a box. That's so expensive, and all of that. And I get it. As compared to regular braiding hair that we've been getting from the store that's full of plastic and cancer ingredients and whatever and what have you, $40 does sound like a lot compared to $1.99 bundles, okay, of hair. So it is definitely a investment in your health. Can you reuse the hair? So when I took the hair out, okay, the hair was still good. There was nothing wrong with that hair. I feel like if you wanted to reuse the hair, the first time you use it and install it, do bigger braids. And then the second time you can probably do another set of big braids, or you can go smaller. I don't know if you should use it more than twice because the hair is biodegradable. And so I'm not sure what that would mean if it's breaking down in your hair, if that makes sense. But yeah, I think you could definitely get maybe 2 to 3 months wear easily from that hair. Does the hair wash well? Yes, the hair washes well. So I really enjoyed washing my braids. It dried pretty quickly, so that's very good. And it did not dry my hair out. I got no scalp irritation. I got nothing. Does the hair seal in hot water? I believe the company says the hair will seal in hot water. I didn't use that because I had the boho pieces. That's definitely an experiment I'm going to run on the next plant-based hair that I have. So if you get Nourie and you use the hot water, let me know. Does the color bleed? No, the color does not bleed at all. I believe they only have the after dusk color for the hair, the Nourie hair. I do believe that she is coming out with other hair colors. So yeah, you could just look for that in the future. A few pros that I have: no itching, no burning, no flaking. I did not experience any redness with this hair at all. And also another pro is that the hair, like I said, it washed and dried very well. So I was really happy with that my hair was able to wash well, dry well, and it was just overall a positive wearing experience. And the cons of the Nourie hair. So my biggest con personally with the Nourie hair is that it is tangly. It's so tangly. If you take this hair to your braider and you do not tell that braider that you're bringing it, they're not going to treat that hair well if they don't care, or they will say they can't use it. So you need to be aware that if you're trying to use plant-based hair, call your braider, tell them you have this plant-based hair. You can show them my video about what I did, okay? Because it's a realistic view of how to manipulate that hair, because it will tangle. It tangles bad when you first get it, okay? It's just the texture. It's not a huge problem, but you're gonna have to give your braider some extra time and an extra heads up out of courtesy, because it's not the easiest hair to work with initially, okay? Also, one of the cons, which is kind of obvious, is the price. A lot of people had an issue with the price. It's literally one of those things where these people who are starting these companies, these are startup companies, they have to make a profit so they can make more hair. And they're just starting out. They don't have the distribution like some of these companies in China selling us dollar hair, okay? They just don't have that. So keep that in mind when you are placing an order, or when you're thinking about the price, that you are investing in someone's business who cares about the health of you, okay? That's very important. And to me, that's something that I look for personally, especially with all these companies trying to sell us anything. And it includes food and beauty and all of that. So just figure out where your priorities lie, and if buying this hair at this price works for you. And if it doesn't, maybe you can save up, or maybe you can just, I don't know, like buy a little bit at a time until you have enough for a full install, and just try it for yourself, okay? My final thoughts: would I recommend Nourie hair? Yes, absolutely yes. I think an investment in your health is an investment in your beauty, and the plant-based hair is a new concept for us. I don't know if this is something that's been around for thousands of years, maybe in other countries, but for us here in the US, this is kind of new for us, especially that I know Black women in the US. This is a new concept for us, and we're trying to wrap our heads around it. But we're willing, we are willing to try it out. And y'all know we will invest our coin if we see something that is going to be beneficial for us and also keeps us looking good. We love to spend money on health and beauty products. And this is kind of, like I said, the Nourie hair kind of encapsulates both of those aspects. Would I purchase Nourie hair again? Yes, I would. I would absolutely purchase Nourie hair again. But for me personally, I don't think I can honestly go back to wearing the plastic hair. I'm pretty much a plant-based girl now. I've been transformed. I've been turned, if you will. I love the plant-based hair, and I don't see myself wearing the plastic if the plant-based hair is available. I just won't. I'll either just wear human hair or I'll do something else. This doesn't count, okay? But as far as like braids, I can't go back to the, and I love Easy Braid, and I love those hair brands because they're so easy and convenient, but easy and convenient hasn't been getting us anywhere but sick, okay? So I hope this video finds you all well. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more healthy beauty content on my channel. I have so many more videos coming up. And before I go, I have some hair that was sent to me from a different plant-based brand, and they wanted me to try it. So the next hairstyle that I will be doing on my hair will be using these, and she has colors, and she's in stock, and she has a website, and you can go buy it. So I'm super excited about this. And this hair is real plant-based. Not saying that the other one wasn't, but you can tell this one is like, this is it, okay? So if you want to see that video, go ahead and like and subscribe and all the good stuff. Okay, turn on your notifications. You're definitely going to want to see it because I'm going to be doing a very special style to test that hair out, and I can't wait. So thank you all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.